another praise and worship, Saturday or Sunday, whatever day I get this uploaded and whatever day works for you. All right, you see my shirt? Not today, Satan. If you heard my testimony that the Lord healed me of a disease, and he's trying to put symptoms back on me, but not today, Satan. Come on and join me today. Let's go. Walk. What are the 3 things I say every time? Engage the core, soften those knees. They need to be slightly bent. Relax those shoulders. They're down and back. Let's go. Walk. Yeah. March. Step, touch. Swing your arms. March. Let's walk up and back. Other leg. March. Ready? Out and in. Out, in. March. Push up. Out and in. Jump this time. Use your arms now. If that's too fast, go back to marching. Full jacks. Push down. We're not jumping high. Push down. Go back to half. Now step, touch. I'm gonna step off. Get a drink of water. You need a drink, step off. All right. Yeah. Amen. Here we go. Ready? March. Now jump over. Ready? Singles. Whew, slow it down. Slow it down. Let's go to a health bounce. A little bit off the mat. You can do left and right if you want, just pushing the heels. Lymphatic drainage. Get those toxins out, disease, anything in your body you're dealing with. Yep. All right, slow it down and step touch. Ready for the next song? Yes, one more song. I always say that and then I keep going. All right, ready? Let's just go heels, corner. Bounce and heel. Bounce, heel. Or push down, rather. And then we're going to switch to toe taps in the front. Swing your arms. Heels. Toes. Something a little different. Step off here. Squats. Push the hips back. We're not putting pressure on that knee. As you come up, keep it softly, a little bit bent. Squeeze the glute as you're coming up. And up, 2, 3, and 4. And step down, squat. Push the hip back. Good. Shake it out. And one more time. Squat. 7, 8. Last time. Squat and push back. Good. Now, up here. Shaking it out. If you can, we're going to do a heel toe. If not, just go back to marching. Might be a little bit too fast. Go back to march. Keeping it low. And out in. Low. Working those bigger muscles. The calves, whew, hamstrings. Switch side. All right. Shake it out side to side. Step, touch. Stretch and breathe. Yes, calling us deeper into holiness. Feels so good to get your workout in. I want to give a shout out to Tracy, my Facebook friend. She can do an hour praise and worship. So she has been an encouragement to me. So thank you, Tracy. All right, slow it down and step off very carefully. And that's it for today. And I'll see you next week on Praise and Worship, Saturday or Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever day you work out. I try to schedule these every Saturday afternoon or Sunday afternoon. I'll see you next week. God bless you. Bye-bye.